Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by plugging the device in, use the correct cable or a card reader so data moves reliably. Once the device is connected, unlock it and accept the file transfer or trust prompt. This authorizes access. Make sure your laptop folder is ready. Create a clear destination so you won't import into a messy location. While you open File Explorer or the Photos app, note which drive letter or device name appears. That's where you'll click Next. Now you locate your photos inside DSIM or the app folder, and you choose which to move. You can Shift plus click to select arrange and Control plus click to add or remove individual files. That saves time. Once selected, drag and drop into your laptop folder or use copy-paste for a safer copy. Alternatively, use the Photos app import, which preserves metadata and timestamps. While transferring, watch progress bars. They confirm successful. After transfer, verify the files by opening a handful to check quality and metadata. This confirms integrity. Once satisfied, safely eject the device. Use the system's eject or unmount feature, then unplug to avoid corruption. If something goes wrong, try a different cable or port, restart the Photos app, or copy via a card reader. Cloud export is an alternate route. If permissions block access, make sure you accepted the device's trust prompt and that your account has read/write rights.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.